Chapter 8 Component of Soil. Forms of nutrient in soil. Introduction. Basic components. The four main components of soil are rocks, minerals, water, air and organic matters, organic material, leaves and decomposed animal, for example. Water and air. Air is not solid or liquid but a combination of gaseous elements that are found naturally in Earth's atmosphere. Mineral. All soil is composed of sand, silt and clay. Though some type of soil have heavier concentrations of this mineral than others. It is a figure of the component of soil. So you can see that mineral soil is the greater as compared to organic matter. Water and air portion has 25% each, mineral matter soil 45% and organic matter only 5%. So four key components of soil composition. Major components of soil. The soil consists of four major components, that is mineral matter, organic matter, soil air and soil water. Volumetric composition of mineral. Inorganic soil, mineral matter 45%, organic matter 5%, soil water 25%, soil air 25%, which I have told earlier. Microorganisms like rodents, insects and worms, and microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, algae live in soil in large numbers. There is three-phase system in which the mineral and organic matter form the solid phase, the water containing salts and some gases in solution, the liquid phase, and the various gases, the gaseous phase. Each phase contains a number of constituents which make the whole system highly complex. On account of these changes continually taking place in the soil, the system is never in equilibrium. Mineral matter. So one by one we are talking. So mineral matter. The minerals are extremely variable in size. Some are as large as the smaller rock fragments. Others, such as colloidal clay particles, are so small that they cannot be seen without the aid of an electron microscope. Quartz and some other primary minerals, biotite, muscovite, etc., have persisted with little change in composition from the original rock. In general, the primary minerals dominate the coarser fraction of soil. Secondary minerals, silicate clay, limonite, hematite, etc., are prominent in the fine material, especially in clays. Clearly, mineral particle size do much effect on the properties of soil. Second one is the important organic matter. It contains only 5%. Soil organic matter represents partially decaying and partially synthesized plant and animal residues. Such material is continually being broken down by the action of soil microorganisms. Consequently, organic matter is transitory soil constituent and renewed constantly by the addition of plant residues. Organic matter influences soil properties and consequently on plant growth. Organic matter functions as a granular mineral particle. It is responsible for those easily managed conditions and productive soil. Organic matter improves the physical condition of soil. It also increases water holding capacity. It is a major source of plant nutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. Finally, organic matter is the main source of energy for soil microorganisms. So you can see here the four components of soil organic matter. So you can see that microbes 5%, fresh residue 10%, stable organic material 42.5% and active organic material 42.5%. So it is a four component of the soil organic matter. So it includes microbes, fresh residue, active organic material and stable organic material. Then third one is soil water. Soil water is the major component of the soil in relation to the plant growth. The water is held within these soil pores. If the moisture content of the soil is optimum for plant growth, plant can readily absorb the soil water. Not all the water soil can hold is available to plant. Much of water remains in this soil as thin film. Soil water dissolves salt and makes up the soil solution, which is important as a medium for supplying nutrient to growing plant. There is an exchange of nutrients between the soil solids and the soil solution, and then between the soil solution and plant. So in this way, plant will take the nutrient from the soil via soil solution, via roots. Soil air. The part of the soil volume that is not occupied by the soil particle is known as pore space. Is filled partially with soil water and partially with soil air. As the moisture content of the soil increases, the air content decreases and vice versa. The soil air contains a number of gases, that is nitrogen, oxygen and water vapor. Soil air differs from the atmosphere in several respects. First, soil air contains much greater proportion of carbon dioxide and lesser amount of oxygen than atmospheric air. Second, soil air has a higher moisture content than atmosphere. Following a rain, large pores are the first vacated by the soil water, followed by medium-sized pores as water is removed by evaporation and plant utilization. Thus, the soil air ordinarily occupies the large pore. A soil further dries up, medium-sized pore space copy the soil air. Soil air has marked effect on the plant and their root growth. It has also effect on soil microorganisms, plant nutrients, formation and their availability. So the reference has been given. Thank you very much.